In this video, I'll show you how to add bots in private match in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So all you have to do is simply create a private match. So launch the game and then select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and then choose multiplayer. And then from here, select find a match, click on that, and then scroll down and select private match. So choose that and then select create private match. Now from here, all you have to do is highlight the team or select the team that you'd like to add bots to. So if it's team 1 or team 2, select the one that you'd like to add bots to and then press the plus button or select the plus button. And then from here, you should see the section add bots. So choose the bot, the amount of bots you'd like to add. And then also you can choose the difficulty of those particular bots. And then once you have customized everything, simply select confirm and that will add bots to team 2. So let me just try that again. And there you go. You have successfully added bots to your private match. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.